Hey guys, what's up? Just coming to tell you guys about the kitten. So the person that was going to get the kitten has gotten the kitten. So that's a fail. I'm not giving up. We're still looking for a kitten. So when our new roommates come, they're gonna help us go get the kitten if it's like a drive to go get it. So yeah, but we're still gonna look. I'm still looking. Hopefully we can find one. I think we're just getting one for now. We might get two. I don't know. It depends on my wife if she wants two or one, but we're just gonna get one for now. So we will let you guys know, and y'all will be seeing a video of us going to get the kitten. So be on the lookout for that. Alright. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Enjoy your day. Hope you guys be safe. Stay blessed. And I'll see you all later. Love you guys.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands